welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new, hi. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Katerakiitten, and I do vlogs, I do hauls, and a bunch of other types of videos. So don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. So today I'm going to be talking about how to vlog in public and what it looks like to vlog in public. So I'm going to be giving you guys like examples. I'm going to show you guys clips, and I'm just going to share with you guys tips that actually help me become more comfortable with vlogging in public. Because I feel as though a lot of people say, oh, like you just have to do it. Okay, that's nice, but what does that look like, and what is your thought process when it comes to that? So here we go. So how to vlog in public. So for me, and I know this seems so cliche and so Katera girl, I ain't gonna be able to do that, yeah, whatever. And what I'm about to say sounds really crazy, but for real, y'all, when it comes to vlogging in public, you have to learn to be comfortable in being uncomfortable. So what that means is, like, when you vlog in public, you're either gonna have people that look at you crazy, like, what are you doing? Is this person really vlogging? And they even may like be in the background of your video and you can see them making a face. Or you'll have people that will just ask you, whether you're vlogging right then and there, or rather after you finish vlogging, like, hey, what are you doing? Like, oh, are you taking a picture? So sometimes people will approach you and ask you, like, you know, what's going on? What are you doing? Just to be nosy, basically. But I mean, it's still harm, no foul. And then you just also have people that just don't even care. You know, they just like, all right, they doing whatever they gonna do, whatever, I ain't even gonna worry about it. So for me, like, I still feel uncomfortable when I vlog in public. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, because I'm still learning the whole being comfortable and being uncomfortable. And people are gonna say what they wanna say, feel how they wanna feel, think what they wanna think, regardless. So it's just like, you just gotta do it, y'all, and don't be afraid. So vlogging is basically just like, okay, every time I step out with this camera in front of other people that don't know me, they're looking at me like I'm crazy, but I'm good because I know that I am a vlogger. I know that this is my camera that I'm using to express my personality, to further my channel. So they can look if they want, they can ask me a question if they want, whatever. I'm gonna keep vlogging. Let them do what they're gonna do, let them think what they're gonna think. That's just life. So my second tip would be, try to start vlogging in places where a lot of people have their cameras or their cell phones out. So more public places. So for instance, like, I vlogged in Disney. And I also vlogged in Universal. So obviously at theme parks, people have their phones out taking pictures and stuff, or they have their camera out taking selfies, vlogging, whatever the case may be. So when you're already in a comfortable atmosphere where other people are already having the electronics out and on themselves or on the setting / scene, then you're good. You know what I mean? So it just, for me, in my experience, it just feels better when you're in public and you're vlogging and then you have other people doing the same thing. It's like, oh, I'm okay, you know, like, okay, these people got their camera out too, I'm fine. So yeah, so I would just say, like, just start practicing in public in those types of busier places. And then I also have two clips that I wanted to show you guys. So one clip is me and Sean at the mall. That's another good place to try. So the second clip is me vlogging in Home Goods, letting you guys know, okay, I'm in public, but this setting is a bit more quiet, not as many people. People can hear me more since it's quiet. It's more chance of someone seeing me because there's only like 5 people in this store at the times that I go. But I'm just showing you guys, like, this is how it looks to vlog in public. Like, you see people in the background, and then you could just see me walking by people. So just to give you guys an actual, like, real life example, like an actual visual of me vlogging in public and surviving and being okay. So I'm trying to show you guys that it's okay, me too, that it's okay to vlog in public. So like right now, I'm at the mall with Shawnee. At the mall. We're at the mall, and I'm just walking around and I'm just talking to y'all.
There's a dead mall series on this mall.
It's not that dead. There's like 12 stores, and it used to be 50, but whatever.
Yeah, and there's like 12 people. So 1, 2.
There are like 20 people here. He's lying. So yeah, so again, we're at the mall, just vlogging like it's nothing.
20.
So eventually, I'm trying to talk you out, and Sean is over talking me. But eventually, like, once you guys like start vlogging in public, you'll be more comfortable. It'll get easier for you. You'll be okay, I promise. Also, I like my new glasses. I'm so excited. So now we're in Home Goods, and I'm trying to show you guys even though this setting is, look, Sean's coming towards me, even though the setting is a little quieter and a little calmer, you can still vlog in public at a store, even when it's not as busy, it's not as crowded, blah, blah, blah. So it just takes you actually being okay and being comfortable and feeling uncomfortable. Because unfortunately, people are always gonna be like, what are you doing? Some people may even join in your vlog. Some people may just make a little face in the back of your vlog, just photo bombing it all, video bombing it and everything. But you literally just have to be okay with vlogging in public. And it does take time, and then like eventually you'll feel better, you'll get better at it, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, I would just say pace yourself, give yourself time, don't rush it. So like, if you feel too nervous, it's okay. Like, you don't have to force yourself to do it, but at the same time, you do have to kind of encourage yourself and push yourself out of your comfort zone so that you can do it. And then again, eventually you'll get better. So yeah, all right, I will check back. So yeah, it's honestly, y'all, it's just something that you just have to do. And you can't let fear, you can't let worry, you can't let being anxious, you can't let your mind kind of like overtake you, you know what I mean? So you can't go into that negative thinking. So just be like mindful. So when you kind of get pushed back, like if a clothing store or if a theme park is letting you know, hey, you can't record this, or we don't allow you to record in this area, okay, just close your camera and keep going, you know? And then when you get out of that area, pull your camera back out, explain if you want, doesn't matter. Also guys, a side note, and also forgive me if I sound like crazy and like bleh. I'm recovering from being under the weather, but also just real quick, when you guys are recording, please be mindful of the content that you are recording and the light, the quote-unquote light that you're putting yourself / people in that are in your vlogs. So let me explain. So if you are hanging out with a friend, okay, and you know that your friend likes this guy, we'll call him Brian, okay? You know that your friend likes this guy named Brian. So you and your friend are out having fun, whatever, and y'all are talking, and let's say your friend brings up, oh, I wonder what Brian's doing. Oh, I really want to text Brian, do you think I should? But Brian doesn't know that your friend likes him, and your friend isn't ready to let Brian know that she likes him, right? So if I were you in this case, just saying, everybody's different, I understand, but just be mindful. So like when you go back over the video and you look at the clips that you've taken, it would be wise to take that part out, just so you're keeping like that confidentiality with you and your friend feels comfortable vlogging or having you vlog around her. So yeah, so basically just be mindful of like other people's personalities, other people's preferences. So people will let you know what they are comfortable with versus what they're not comfortable with. So yeah, so just be mindful, and like in terms of your family and stuff, like you don't want to put everything out there is basically what I'm trying to say. Like you still want to keep certain parts of your life and your family and your friends, you want to keep some of those things private, and you want to maintain those relationships in terms of keeping that integrity with them and just being honest with them. So yeah, like if you want to vlog about your everyday life and you're thinking, oh, well, this is my life, like we are arguing, or I don't get along with so-and-so, or okay, yeah, they do like them, but you still just want to think about when that camera cuts off, like, okay, am I maintaining these healthy relationships? Am I respecting that boundary with my friend? Do I really want to show, let's say your parents argue, do I really want to show my parents arguing? So it's up to each creator's discretion what you want to show and what you want people to see, but just be mindful, like once it's out there, it's out there. So like for me, I'm just mindful of things that I record, and even if I do pick up some things, which I have, like when I've gone back and looked at my clips, I've noticed certain things that I personally have edited, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I cannot post this on YouTube, or oh, I gotta crop that part out, or I can't believe they said that, oh, why did they do that? So it's just different things that you notice, because the camera literally picks up everything, like stuff that you probably couldn't hear at the time because it was so busy, stuff that you probably couldn't see or notice at the time because it was behind you or on the side of you. Like, it's crazy, y'all. So just please be mindful of the content that you are publicizing for people to see. Alrighty guys, so that was it for today's video. Please let me know what you thought in the comments below, any tips that you guys would like to share as well, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, adios.